encouragement, for your partnership. And we want to sincerely thank you from the depth of our hearts on behalf of the CEO of Alayo Homes and Entertainment, Ambassador Babayemi Shegubabs Ile Alayo. We sincerely say thank you. Thank you for your patronage in times of our media, in lines with our real estate, our property business. We say thank you. And we want to use this medium to once again inform you all that you shouldn't forget that we are still very much in the media business. Yes, we are still very much in the media business. A lot of people are even thinking, okay, now that Alayo is even selling house, Alayo is selling land, Alayo is into real estate, is Alayo still very much into the media business? Yes, yes, without missing word, we are still very much in the media business. Anything you want, event planning, event management, event packaging. When I talk of event planning, I am talking of the whole event, from the hall to the hotel reservation, to the ushers, to the bouncers, to the band, to the DJ. Name it, anything relating with events. Put it on us. We are ready to help you shoulder it. Yes, just rest it on our shoulder, then go back, go and rest, leave the event for us. Then for the event management and packaging, anything, just think of it, then we are ready for it. The coverage aspect of it, the photography, with the videography, the publication, when it comes to radio and television, as well as newspaper. And don't forget that we have a newspaper publication in Alayo called Ile Alayo newspaper, which is actually named Ìròyìn tó serious news. And don't forget, in our real estate business, we are still very much active. And when it comes to event management as well, don't forget we are still very much available for your MCs of any kind, any language at all you want your MC to speak, either Yoruba language, Hausa language, Igbo language, and even if it is foreign language, you can actually count on us. Foreign language, be you German, be you Spanish, be you Chinese, be you French. Just bring it up. Tell us what you need, then we'll supply it for you. You can be rest assured of all this. Then in our real estate business, we still want to, let you know and still remind you that Alayo Estate is still very much alive. Airport, Alayo Airport Estate Phase 1 and 2 in Akure, Airport Estate Phase 1 and 2 is still very much alive, and people are actually bombarding the estate like something else. Are you getting it? Our Phase 1 is 800,000, while the Phase 2 is 1 million naira. 800,000, 1 million naira. And it is plain land, approved survey and layout, good road network, and above all, maximum security. And Alayo Estate at Igbatoro goes for 500,000 naira only, alongside with Alayo Estate in Isinigbo, 500,000 naira only. And I'm bringing this new one to you now, Alayo Estate at Omifon Aladura along Ore Road. That one goes for just 400,000 naira. And with just 200,000 naira, you can procure a land with us in our estate in Ore, which is 300 square meter half plot for 200,000 naira. Before you know it, you become a landowner. Before you know it, you become a house owner. So what are you still waiting for? Why don't you just book an appointment with us today? Why don't you just book a day with us today? You can easily get us in our office in Akure at the Dome, the International Culture and Event Center. Dome, Alagbaka, Akure. Or easily call on these numbers for business, for inquiries and partnership. 070 62 39 5890. 070 62 39 5890 or 080 33 560 249. 080 33 560 249. Don't forget, Alayo Homes and Entertainment is a name you can trust anytime,